So, you know, my next door neighbor, actually it's not next door, he's across the street. He asked me to sell his old Craftsman. He had that damn thing for like 8-10 years, something like that. Anyway, I sold it for him. I think we got $250 for it, which is, you know, a decent price for that model. Anyway, he took the $250 and he went and put some more money and he got this. Guys, this is the latest model, 2018 Bilt Storm?
Storm 260.
Storm 260. It's a 24 wide. Man, oh man, look at that, man. Brand spanking new. Dude hasn't even powered this up yet. He was asking me about the snow scraper. I was telling him how the snow scraper is just hitting the ground here. It should be like a smidgen higher than the ground, you know what I'm saying? Not even, like a millimeter off, you know? But he has to adjust it as he goes. This is that new, did you say it was 10 inch?
Airless tires.
10 inch airless, is it 10 inch?
I don't know what that is.
Anyway, this is the new airless tire. It looks bigger than 10 inch, man. Now you gotta go by the rim, so it's 11 inch? That doesn't make any sense. No, nobody would make an 11 inch. You know what? These are probably 12 inch tires. Check it out. These are like those new John Deere Walker mowers. You know, the industrial kind. Man, it's awesome. Makes it look sharp, man. It came with oil in it, right to the levels. It's got electric start. You know what engine this is, guys?
208.
This is a 208 cc, but you know what this is? This is also, I believe, it's a Lansin Chinese clone engine is what it is. It's not a Briggs or anything like that. It's for you enthusiasts. Check that out. Anyway, he paid $6.99 for it. Storm 2460. And it starts with 31A. 31A means this is an MTD product. You guys all know that anyway. Really nice. Oh, check out this the chute. Has the worm drive, worm gear. So it's like you do 1/4 turn and it goes a quarter, 45 degrees. You do one full 180. Okay, so it's 1, 2. 2 full revolutions gets you one full 180 degrees. Very cool. 6 gears. 6 gears forward, 2 reverse. It's got extra shear pin storage over here. Your auger handle is here to engage. This is for the drive. It's nice. Got the choke over here. Primer bulb, key, fast throttle for a rabbit, turtle slow, and then the stop. This model also has the light. And you could have the heated handle option if you want. Which, honestly, you're going to be wearing gloves in the wintertime anyway. You don't need heated handles. Man, that is sharp, man. I'll do another video, guys, of this thing when it snows. See my neighbor Andy use it. It's cool. It's never too early to get ready for winter. Snow's around the corner. Follow me on Instagram at mowersblowers.